So what is investing? That's the question that I Googled one day in 2017 because I was bored. Little did I know that that Google search changed my entire life for the better. Investopedia defines investing as the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income of the profits. I hear people talk all the time about wanting to invest, but have no idea what it is or how to do it. Usually it fizzles out due to confusion, or they invest into the first thing that they see and they don't really know exactly what they bought into. But what I'm about to tell you may change your entire outlook on investing. People wonder why should they invest? The perks of investing at any age are absolutely amazing. However, the younger you are, the more it will build on itself. This principle is called compound interest, and essentially compound interest is when your money gains interest again on top of that interest, and over and over and over again, growing your principal to unimaginable heights over time. This may take a long time to happen, and you'll be in it for the long run, but the earlier that you invest, the larger impact that it can make. Let me show you. So basically, this is a Roth IRA calculator, and a Roth IRA is a form of a retirement account, and it shows a forward trail and projection over how much your money can build on itself over all these years. This isn't anything that's guaranteed, but it is projected, based on the information that has happened in the past, and this is just basically a prediction of what can happen and the possibilities. There's an extremely important word that may make your eyebrows raise, and that word is cash flow. Cash flow is basically money that's created from your investments and not from, your job. It has potential to be created in the background, so you can do other activities while you're making money in other places, and making money at different times, doing different things all at the same time. If you strive to live a financially comfortable life, you have to find a way to make money while you make money. You may ask, how do I invest? That's an incredibly good question. There are many different ways to invest, whether you're into stocks, real estate, retirement accounts, a side business, all kinds of different assets. There's so many different ways to invest and build something that it's ridiculous. The great part is that you don't need to be a finance major to learn these things. You just pick them up over time. All you really need is a drive. Most of these assets can be managed by other people, which is really crazy. The best part is that you don't have to choose just one of these adventures or one of these assets or, like investment paths. In fact, the more you own, the more diverse you are and the safer you are. All your eggs won't be in the same basket, and you'll be spread out across different industries. You have the internet, books, people at your fingertips, to learn more, and that information that you don't know about getting into different industries, you just really have to want it. That's all you need. The benefits to investing go so much further than just being able to have the ability to not really worry about money. It goes much deeper than that. There's potential for financial freedom, spreading your wealth to other people, as well as generational wealth, and just being able to pass your money to people that would benefit more from it than you. It goes much deeper than that. Investing is something that takes control of the money that we work so hard to make and makes it work for you instead of you work for it. You will not likely become wealthy just from trading your time for money, because there's only 24 hours in a day. You can only work so much. So you have to have different things going on in the background while you're making money, and be making money through different avenues all at the same time. In order to live a life that's comfortable and free from financial obstruction, you have to find ways to create other streams of income. Now hop on Google and change your life.